Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Antec NX700 mid-tower case. So friend, Antec presents the NX700, the new model in the NX series, and friend is already equipped with 3 RGB fans, X-Works, and now available stores. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at €84.99, and friend, it offers a large selection of gaming cases with LED lighting and eye-catching front panel design. So friend, the new NX700 housing has a side panel made of tempered glass and perfectly set from seam for a built-in components. And friend, the case from the entry-level segment measures 440mm into 220mm into 492mm and compatible with ATX, Micro-ATX and ITX motherboard. And friend, it supports graphics card with a length of up to 340mm and radiators with a maximum height of up to 170mm. And friend, it offers space for up to 8 120mm fans and factory fitted with 3 ARGB fans. And friend, it offers space for 360mm water cooler at the front and 280mm cooler at the top and 140mm cooler at the rear of the chassis. And friend, 7 expansion slots, 2 3.5mm bays, 3 dedicated 2.5-inch bays offer sufficient space for drives and cars. And friend, 2 USB 3.0 ports, power LED and HD audio jacks on the case LED complete their great case, offer practical option for connectivity of variety of peripheral device and latest motherboard. And friend, for easy cleaning, it is equipped with dust filter in the top and bottom. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.